you guys. We don't see you shaking it down. Work those dance moves.
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other.
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
You said Nomad Lounge.
I like insane
Wow. Look at this spectacular view! Did your husband deliver, or did he deliver?
Orange, you're gonna wake the kids. We still have to name them. I like Nemo.
Nemo? We'll name one Nemo, but I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr. What was that? Get inside, Coral. No. Coral, don't go out there. Leave it alone. Coral? No! Coral! No. Coral! There. Daddy's got you. I promise I will never let anything happen to you.
My dad is insane.
No, you can't be anywhere near here.
I wasn't
You're not ready. I was right. We'll try school again next year.
But Dad!
You know that you can't swim well. No, you can't. Now come along. You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong.
I hate you!
Nemo, Nemo! What are you doing? Now you get back here. You're in big trouble, young man. Do you hear me? Nemo! With me! Go with the flow! Oh, oh, go with the flow! Go with the your heart strong fellow. Keep back and keep it mellow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go with the flow. Jelly.
Bye, Elmo! Bye, Dory! Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
Training.
Drizzling. Just saw Nemo, the musical. Or what it was called, a Nemo World. Or...
Big Blue World.
That was an official title.
How do you name of the musical? That's what it's called.
Okay, well there you go. Now we're gonna go over to Dinosaur. We got an Anytime Fast Pass. And Expedition Everest is sadly closed. But this will be our last and then Cali Rapids, the last two rides in Animal Kingdom. Oh yeah. He's got an umbrella truck, dude.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future?
Nice.
Great place to work. Outfitted with global networking and the latest digital tools to turn your dreams into reality.
You dork.
Need to be somewhere? No problem. Just pack up and go.
Why aren't we together?
We're alone in the future.
Since you're your best mate in the world, you can bring your virtual tool.
These bad boys.
I haven't filmed anything.
Watch these bad boys.
Beauties.
Beauties.
Little beauties. We're in Epcot.
Yes, we're in Epcot right
Raining.
now.
It's been raining all day, so we haven't been able to film
But
anything.
we're bagless, so it's awesome.
Where's your bag, sir? Where's your bag?
Oh, I didn't fold it. My poncho.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Dinner at being Napoli. How was your pizza?
Ciao, Bella. That's not the right words.
Now we're visiting Germany, so I can go back to the trains in case Brazil takes it over. We'll find out in a
Rumored Brazil. Rumored. Not a lot of space, though. I guess they could always go back. Just like some of them are.
Yeah, this is just like, yeah, there really isn't though, because Italy's right there, and Germany's right there.
Far, you know?
But it's still the entrance would be kind of,
not wide. It's deep.
I guess. Excited? Gonna see Guardians. What's it called? Awesome X5?
Awesome X5, yeah, so it's for you, Connor. We're seeing it for you, though I'm gonna enjoy it.
I'm seeing it for Connor because I will not enjoy it.
Greetings from Xandar, capital of the Nova Empire.
Oh yeah, Xandar's
My
going
name
up.
is Kara Jale.
What the heck?
Recent events have brought your interesting planet to our attention. As explained to us by a representative from your world called Star-Lord, your Epcot has been identified as a cultural epicenter. As part of our new outreach initiative, we have selected ambassadors to be the first to share our extraterrestrial culture. Music is such an important part of our history. So, to be our first representatives, we have identified our finest and brightest symphonic artists to share with you the harmonious sounds of our planet.
Thank you, Terrence. Thank you, Epcot. We are so happy to be here. We are known as the Xandarian Chamber Orchestra. What do you say? Let's show them how we do it on Xandar. Zardu Hasselbrow. Zardu Hasselbrow.
Rocatare. Guys! Gals! Xandarians! Whatever the heck that guy is, stop! Please! Just stop.
And you are?
The name's Peter Quill, although there's another name you might know me by. Star-Lord! No, he's the answer to all of your problems. Hey, buddy, I need you to pull up a song for me. It should be at the top of my playlist. Right there. See, I was born on this planet and I know what Terrence like. You guys got headsets. Put those headsets on. Root idea, can you feed that audio down into their headsets? Good tree. Now, as the music starts playing in your headsets, you all just play along. You're super talented musicians and I have total faith in you. 12%.
When you hold in your arms so tight, let me know everything's alright. What's all the feeling?
amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all together as one. We hope you enjoy our story tonight, Reflections of Earth.
Last ride of the trip.
Last thrill ride of the day. You said a bus and a plane today.
And a people mover. People mover at
That's
the
the last thrill ride.